is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, back with another video. As you can see in the title, today I will finally be fixing my broken bumper. Let's go take a look at it. It's been a while, a couple of months, but this thing is finally getting fixed. Shout out to my boy Arthur. Man gave me a whole new front grill surround. It was on his RT before he got the Hellcat conversion, but this one's good. But also, I'm gonna be putting a new grill on it. It's not gonna be that one no more. That black one I got over there, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Hellcat one. Y'all can see. It don't got the two little circle things on it. I don't really like the circle things. We're gonna go to my friend Wayne's house. His dad might help me, cause it's a pain in the ass to get that bumper off. You gotta take the tires off, get to the screws just to take the bumper off. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna put this surround on it. I'm gonna clean it up though. Put it on there. Put that new grill on there. It's gonna look nice. Let's go ahead and start this day off. I'm gonna go start the car for y'all. Get y'all a little cold start. And let's go. First, let me go put all this stuff in the trunk. All right, here's this cold start. That's embarrassing. I do have gas. I only did that because my check engine light's on, because I lost the gas cap at the gas station, because you know, I'm done. Let's go ahead and roll out. Turn it on again. Got that nasty ass check engine light on. Alright guys, before I start this video, I just want to say, if y'all new to this channel, please hit that like, comment, subscribe button, do all that good stuff. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when I'm there.
Hear me turn that beat up, yeah.
Run up that check and then we knock off. Every nigga day the mouth off. Thinking it's good for God, you want some outlaws. Coordinations, nigga.
Welcome to Black Men Customs, the home of the nigga ring.
The home of the what?
Nigga ring.
Home of the nigga ring. You heard him. Wow, what is that toy?
Beast.
Got a whole tire shop in here. We're gonna go ahead and put this grill on though. Y'all look how bad this looks. Ugh. Y'all stay tuned. We have Black Customs.
Black Men Customs, damn it.
Black Man Customs. We gotta lift this thing up real quick to get to the bumper.
Yacht party.
How to not
install one properly?
Give me the thing.
What happened? You gotta get the general manager out?
Nah, some technical difficulties.
Damn, that was loud.
That's why it don't fit, because they don't line up.
What I ain't seen on YouTube, that one dude that changed it?
No, they don't fit because they don't line up.
Oh yeah. There is gonna be like a small gap. He said.
Yeah, like some of them don't hit center.
Dad, I had to take all this off?
What?
Nah, I had to take.
What? No, you know we didn't take all that shit off.
What did it take off, right?
You gotta get to them screws.
What screws? And I should have paid attention last time.
Update real quick. Do not come to Black Man Sounds Custom.
Don't say that on camera, bro.
Go to Corey Wayne's. That's that real build right there. Don't come to his building. Dodge, y'all are tweaking. We have to do all this work just to take a bumper off.
It's alternator.
It could be the core intake that we got to swap out.
Nah, it could be the belt drivetrain. That's why it was
Belt drivetrain. What I need to be thinking about is how am I going to put that on that? We'll figure it out.
Hey.
The bumper is coming off.
Hey, Customs, we do it all.
Don't listen to him. Go to Corey Wayne surround system. That's broke too?
Mm-hmm. That's what I thought they were holding it on.
How the hell? That's weird.
Yeah, you know, call your insurance company, buddy.
It ain't that bad if you can find another one. Look, this one right here, this one.
That's just another plastic piece?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. But I don't know where I can find it, because you know Dodge is going to try to charge me an arm and a leg.
Still gonna be like that, huh?
No, this ain't wobbly.
It's recording. This was $535.
Alright guys, always some bad news. We have to go to AutoZone to get some rivets. Cause these are gonna break as soon as we take them off. This thing is way more sturdier. Well, 3 hours later at Black Sounds Customs. I don't know, we got the piece off. It's not broken anymore. This is straight for sure. Now we gotta get this thing on. That piece. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we finally completed the fix. You gotta go for a ride, come on. Put a YouTube right. Oh man, I ain't worried about that. That's a fixing ticket. What's gonna happen to you?
I get a ticket.
You'll get a ticket for that?
Even if he driving?
I thought it was my car.
It don't fucking matter who's driving.
Well, he has to pay.
You know what I'm saying? Shit don't matter.
Man, I'm gonna get it done and everything. We good on that.
Yeah, you know what you say? Motherfucker is 3. This motherfucker need 8.
Nah, you gotta drive it right way.
Black Man Customs, baby.
Black Man Customs coming here to do anything. Hey, you better get run over. That's what you better do.
Do it all, baby. Hey. Do engine work.
That grill looks way better. I don't know if y'all can see
Do
it.
engine work with the cosmetic stuff.
Hold on. Try to zoom in. You can barely see it. It's fixed, guys.
Thanks to who?
Thanks to Black Man Corey.
Customs.
Corey's better. That thing looks way better. It's finally fixed too. It's not really perfect because it's not supposed to fit. You see there's space right there, but you really can't tell, and trust me. I really made sure shit's perfect, but you can't tell. Got Corey Systems driving my car. Corey Systems. Hey, you gotta make them feel it, Wayne.
I ain't gonna feel what? Man, don't done mess with shit. You don't need what now? Shit.
Gotta hit it though. Gotta go in that mode.
What mode?
This mode.
It's pretty loud still, right, Wayne? Like the stock one is pretty loud, the system.
Wait till you get on it.
This stock?
Yeah.
And this is the fucking this stock exhaust?
Yeah.
And this bitch is loud.
All I did was mid muffler and resonator delete. That ain't even nothing, right, Wayne?
That buddy.
I'm gonna need you to feel this full power, so when you get a straight lane, I'm gonna downshift you. You ain't even gonna have to shift, it's gonna go on its own. I need you to floor it.
Bitch, do move. This bitch like a skate.
Okay, watch. Okay, now press that left paddle. You're not the one with the minus.
Do what?
Yeah, that one. Just press it. Tap it.
Forward?
Yeah. Okay, go to 1.
Put one
Go again. Right there. Okay,
Oh,
now
okay, I see
now
it now.
now go to 20 without clicking nothing. Now you're just gonna hit it. It's gonna do it on its own.
Hit what?
Now just smash. Whoa!
Brembos. Check them.
You got me scared.
Damn, bitch, one more time.
If you want to get out of it, then just hold it.
Oh, look on.
Hold the plus one. Like hold it though. And it'll go to drive. See? You need to get a Hellcat red eye. That's a whole different beast.
I ain't doing
You want me back here? This is our Mexico, right?
that.
Wait.
Goddamn re- oh, we talking about Mexico. Okay, now I understand.
Does that mean you're getting a Hellcat? He is, right?
Cat
Capped out. He's getting one. We better see if the grill's still on there.
I forgot all about that.
We better see if the grill's still on
I
there.
forgot all about that grill.
Y'all stay tuned for this man's build car. He's about to be pushing how much to the wheel? Wayne? 1,000?
Yeah. Maybe 15.
Fine. They do a little something.
It's not flimsy no more. Like, for sure. Look at that. The other one, you just do this. It was already coming down. You better be on YouTube. Say what's up. That's Corey, Wayne. Look, there's his build right there. Y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all saw the thing. We got this shit done. All thanks to Corey, not Wayne. So shout out to him. That man. Yeah, I appreciate that though, for real. I got you. Trust me. I'm out of here. Alright guys, as you can tell, I'm back at the house. Finally got the new grill put on and the bumper is finally finished. Gotta throw away all these pieces. I did not know it was that bad. Like, look at this. That's horrible. But y'all let me know what y'all think of that grill. I know you can barely see it with the camera, but there you go. I think it looks way more aggressive. Today was a long, successful day. I'm finally glad that it's over. Shout out to Corey and Wayne. But y'all go ahead and like, comment, share this video. I'd really appreciate it if y'all sub. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and I'm King Reckless and I'm out. Peace.
Growing up it was right, I don't give it up. Running from them dicks, they do down and they bust. Trying to take a young cause he thugging too hard. That was the same trying to talk when he